Hey guys, it's your boy Rio from Hair Club, and today we will be reviewing the Malin Goetz Clarifying Clay Mask on another episode of... So for this episode, we want to introduce a new rating system that we put together. It's going to help you make a better decision whether you want to buy or not buy a product. We've introduced a few categories in which we're going to use to review products in a more, organized fashion. So one of those categories is going to be what are the benefits of that product, and we're going to list out the benefits of why you should be using the product or even that product type. Second is going to be the usability. So how do you use it? What's the ease of use and how often do you need to use it as well? The third category is going to be quality. So what are the ingredients being used within the product itself and how do those ingredients tie back to those benefits? The fourth is going to be the value, and the price. So how much does this product actually cost relative to other products similar to the product type in the market? And is it worth the actual value in which you have to pay for it? So lastly is the verdict, and that's where we're gonna give you our overall opinion on the product, and also if we think that you should buy it or maybe search for different alternatives based on your skin type, hair type, etc. So let's get into it. So I mentioned earlier, we're going to be reviewing the Malin Goetz Clarifying Clay Mask, and two of the benefits that I like about this product is that it gives you a deep cleanse. So it's going to remove all those impurities, all the dead skin cells, and also the excess oils from your face. The second benefit of using this product is that it's going to keep your pores closed. You don't want them too wide open because it's going to allow for more dirt and oil to build up, which will cause your skin to be more acne prone. But you do want your pores to be smaller, and you want to have a nice balance of oil on your skin because it's going to leave your skin a little more elastic and you're not going to be prone for wrinkles. So it does give you that balance and that shine to your face while controlling your pore size and also the moisture on the surface level of your skin. So usability, I think this mask is very easy to use. There are a lot of ways you can make a mask at home using just products that you'll find in your cupboard. But for this one, it comes ready to use. You can use it once or twice a week. You pretty much just take it out the tube, put a little bit on your hand, and then you just apply it to your face, wait 5 to 10 minutes or until it dries, and then you wash it by rubbing it into your skin with warm water. You don't want to use hot water because hot water is just going to dry out your skin and it's going to remove any of the oils that your skin needs. You should probably just use room temperature water to rub it off and get it off your face. I would recommend using this product before you go to sleep. You can just hop right into the shower and then wash it off once it's all done drying, and then before you go to sleep, put a light moisturizer on your face just to balance out the oils and keep your skin nice and elastic. You do lose a lot of water from your body at night. That's why, and you should probably keep like a cup of water next to your bed so when you do wake up you can rehydrate, and that's going to be good for your digestion as well as your skin. I do like the quality of this product due to the fact that it has grounded up pumice. And if you're not familiar with pumice, you should look up pumice stones that are used to remove callus from like your feet or your hands. So they have that grinded up into this product. So while you're applying it to your skin, it's removing all the impurities, the dirt, or any built up oils from the past couple of days. So when you're rinsing off the mask itself, you're still massaging lightly those pumice stones into your face, which is going to give you that deep cleanse. So as for value and price, this is on the pricier side of products. I think this will run you around 48 to 50 bucks on the market, but you have to keep in mind that you're not going to use this product every day. So once a week can help, and if you have any serious skin conditions as well, so if you're very acne prone, maybe twice a week may be the right frequency for you. But I see this product lasting you about 3 to 4 months. So in the grand scheme of things, if you get a haircut every 2 weeks, that's about 20 to 30 bucks. Paying for this product just to give yourself a facial at home, that's probably like, my math is probably a little messed up, but like $2 a week maybe is gonna last you. I don't think that's really a bad investment, but there are cheaper alternatives on the market if you are looking for a mask. And I'm gonna have reviews up for how to actually make one at home with some ready to use products or some cheaper products that you can use from like your regular corner store or pharmacy. So my overall verdict for this product, I've been using it for a few months now. I think it's a great product. It's very easy to use. I like it because it keeps my face nice and clean. It gives me that additional option to go do a deep cleanse. So we're currently under quarantine, so I don't have the luxury of going to a spa and getting a facial, but this product does give me the ability to give myself a deep cleanse periodically and still keep my face nice and clear. So if you like this video, drop a comment below, subscribe to our YouTube page, head over to our Instagram and check out our content there. Don't forget to follow us and keep it locked because we have more videos to come. Peace.